So I'm gonna set this up, this camera, with the transmitter. All right, this is transmitter into link, so you could take this on the go and record. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at right now. So let me record this so you guys can see. So right now, this is a live view of me capturing myself in here. We're gonna record ourselves. All right, and look at this. Oh, lost the input because of the connection's a little weak here, but I'm doing a battery. So if you want to record, you can make like some sort of device. This thing is rocking. We're gonna plug in our PlayStation 5, all right, and we have everything that we need here. So we're gonna go and plug it in here. All right, here's the back of it, and we're gonna plug in the USB on our PlayStation 5. If you guys can see that, it's plugged in right now. So we're gonna be able to transmit into 2 different devices, and I'm gonna capture from my computer too. So here's the PlayStation 5 capturing right now. We're capturing through my controller. Look at that. And I'm gonna capture on the device here, so you guys can see that I'm transmitting from around the corner from me to the system here in my OBS, and it's working very well too. So I'm capturing because I do have a link card that's able to capture the USBs, and this is perfect. So I don't even have to do anything here pretty much to this system. Maybe I'm gonna show you guys. There's the actual receiver. You see that? So the receiver is there, and the PlayStation is all the way over there. So from here to here is perfect. But I'm gonna show you what else I can be able to transmit to, right, and receive to. Right there it is. So you guys can see that. Let me see if I can control from here. Oh yeah, I'm able to control from here. And look at the actual system. I'm gonna show you guys. It's all the way over here. The PlayStation. It's on another room. It's crazy. So I'm able to play from that system all the way over there. It's displaying right there into my OBS, capturing, and then I could just be playing here, all within all 3 of them. So I'm able to relax here, capture my OBS, and then play in my living room with the larger TV. So that's a great thing you can do with this receiver. So